of football. Give me strength so
Pick your 11. You can only pick one player per position. Goalkeeper. Options are Manuel Neuer, Ike Casillas, and Gigi Buffon. Right back. Options are Dani Alves, Javier Zanetti, Gary Neville.
Alves.
Right centre back. Options are Gerard Piqué, Sergio Ramos, or Virgil van Dijk.
Oh, Van Dijk.
Left centre back. Options are Charles Puyol, John Terry, and Nemanja Vidic.
John Terry.
Left back. Options are Philip Lahm, Ashley Cole, and Patrice Evra.
Philip Lahm.
Defensive midfielder. Options are Xavi, Paul Scholes, and Andrea Pirlo.
Peru.
Central midfield. Options are Frank Lampard, Andreas Iniesta, Steven Gerrard.
Steven Gerrard.
Attacking midfield. Options are Wesley Sneijder, Kevin De Bruyne, Mesut Ozil.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Right wing. Options are Leo Messi, Arjen Robben, Mo Salah.
Messi Odi.
Left wing. Options are Cristiano Ronaldo, Ryan Giggs, Neymar.
Ronaldo.
Striker. Options are Ibrahimovic, Sergio Aguero,
Lewandowski.
Lewandowski. Thank you.